If rats or mice have appeared in your house, garden, or yard, stick around until the end because I'm showing you a simple and cheap way to reduce their numbers without poisons or traps. It only takes 1 minute of your time. The rodent problem can escalate very quickly because they multiply extremely fast. A female rat can have multiple litters a year, and pregnancy lasts only about 3 weeks, so a small group can turn into a full-blown infestation in a short amount of time. Besides the damage they cause to food, wiring, and property, rats and mice can contaminate your space and spread many diseases. That's why it's crucial to react as soon as you notice the first signs of their presence. The first ingredient is rolled oats, which we will blend in a grinder. You can also add some other seeds if you like. Rats simply can't resist them. While I prepare this, write in the comments where you're watching from. Pour all the ingredients into a bowl. Next, add a tablespoon of cocoa powder, which will boost the smell of this mixture. You can also add cheese or anything with a strong scent. Now we need the most important ingredient, cement. Mix everything thoroughly and place it near their burrows. Once they eat it all and drink water, the cement will harden, getting rid of them for good. Only do this if you have no other choice and the rodents are threatening your health and property.